Originally so nice. That's a good present. Oh, I know what that is.
Play-Doh! 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 Play-Doh!
Wow! Yay!
Yeah.
Can you see his face? Here, maybe you should see him.
Probably.
Okay. Happy.
Let's see. Now this one.
Yeah, your pillow. How about his blanket? Oh, that
Stuck.
is really hard.
Okay. Now open right here.
Oh.
You sad?
Oh, that.
Should we? You want me to get him out of here?
Jaden, who is it?
Elmo!
Good.
Look what's in here.
Goodbye, Mommy.